I am fully ready to cut the grass on the cemetery. Oh, this trimmer make a little bit hot. Yeah, I'll show you result for the day. Long day, but I'm ready. Woo! My thing broke.
All day long, guys, all day long. Drink and drink, drink and drink. It was really hard. That grass, it's really poison, and I was afraid about that juice. I understand, guys, you're getting bored, but this video just 10 minutes, you see, and I worked 12 long hours.
Oh, I made a small loop around here, over there, over there, over there, and over here, middle left. What interesting, there is I find like old um, time when people die, and while I will cutting, I will show you old. I don't know how it's called. How called this? Some guy told me here on cemetery, people from Spain, like 150 years ago, 150 years ago, here was a lot of Spanish, and they wanted to occupy the island, and they tried to go to the coast, and it was big storm, and their ship were crashed. Yeah, and here a lot of them. And also on the top there, it's interesting, I don't know how it's called, but it's same like this, it's same like this, and it's there, but it's house, special houses, I don't know, I'll show you later. It is grateful my son came to help me. Today he has day off in the school, and I just want to teach him how to work, how to do some job, and with streamer it's good to know at home, and he came to help me, and it's good help for me, and it's education for him, and I'm so happy. Yeah. Grave, I remembered how to call like this place. It's a grave because it's graveyard, and yeah, here like old grave, and they were built like a house. Yeah, and someone is there. Same here. It's overgrow grass on this thing. And sometimes you just can find like a plate, just like a stone. nothing on it. Nothing written. No, just a stone. It means someone, I don't know how to say, someone went to the ground. And you see some graves are looks well done, like someone looking after for it, but some graves not so good, because like not relatives around here, and that's why we are cutting grass over here. Difficult to see years. How old is it? How old is it? Difficult to find year here. 59 here, something. 95. 18th. Oh, 10. 1910. Okay. Almost 100. Not almost, more than 100. What here is written? You can read it. Oh, Sullivan, who died March 19th, 1913. Okay, more than 100. Metal door. Hello. No one there. This can be ghost. Whew. And we are lucky today. The weather is good. Not sunshine, no rain. Great day to work. Praise God. Day is over. Oh, I was working hard to cut whole graveyard. I didn't cut it yet, but half of this graveyard I have cut, and I'll show you a lovely view from here. Remember, I was driving and telling you, oh, now I'll show you a great view. I thought I can, but I couldn't. But now, look guys, look at this. It's amazing. Sun sets. Oh, it's just amazing. And I forgot to. Oh, okay, I go around. Amazing. Check. I got here, there, and all here, and left over there to the top. Hopefully God will help me to do this next time. Oh, mosquitoes. It's a lot of them around me. Can you see them? Oh, they're flying. Yeah, like thousands. Oh, hundreds. A lot of grass stick to my hand, to my face. I'll take a shower and we'll be fresh again. Can you see moon? Yeah. I'll show you the moon. Look at the moon. Oh. Hey. Okay. Nice guy. It's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Hopefully. Yeah.